Hello, this is my 3-year update video for my Pontiac chieftain, because now I have owned the Pontiac for 3 years, and this video is about all the work I have done this year. I'm not 100% sure that this video will be interesting to watch, but on the other hand I hope it will be entertaining to watch. Yes, 3 years ago I bought a car that was sitting in this bar, but it was a running and driving car. And I drove it from the south of Sweden to Stockholm. It was a good deal, except for that I haven't slept for the whole night, so I wasn't really keeping my attention to everything, and maybe I should have brought some more parts with the car to Stockholm. I was very tired and I had a long way to drive for a few days. A lot of car restoration and a lot of car driving these 3 years, and now go back to this winter. Now it's a little bit plus degrees, and now I'm cleaning around the rear window. I want to show you my tools. I'm using this tools. There's a lot of dirt in there, and now it's perfect to use this old toothbrush, which can go in and clean out all the dirt. For the next step I will use this to get it real clean. Glue, glue, glue. It's there. One tube. I want to put a little bit more in here, then I'm finished. This didn't turn out 100% well, so today I did some complements with rubber glue. Everything in the trunk were wet because they were leaking here. I hope for a good result. So maybe I must replace this anyway. I don't know. We shall see. This winter have been really hard on my car. A lot of oxide here and there. And I'm about to show you the method that I'm going to use this year. These are my tools: Scotch Brite, swing toe, and this is lemon acid, baking soda from America. Unfortunately we can't find this in Sweden, so sorry all Swedish viewers, we can't buy this. But if you live in America, this is great for cleaning everything. Thanks to my neighbors who have relatives in America. So far I am really satisfied with this result. One more step on the bumper and grill. It looks really nice. I used my regular cleaning that I use at home on top of it, and now just hot water. And in Sweden we are not allowed to use this because we can get hurt. If this product were available in Sweden, then the instruction will say, don't play ping pong when you're using this, don't smoke, don't eat pizza. Shining, very shining. Shining all around. I have a start issue here. Sometimes when I turn the key, there's no noise at all, and I touch the wires behind, and then it starts up. It's not the wiring which is the problem, I guess. It's more oxide behind here, so I must take this apart. I guess I found it. There's some rust there, but that's not the main problem. This wire here have some tape, and this is the issue, I guess. I had some dirt on the spark plugs, so I had to clean them and fire it up again. My first drive this year. Well, it's my birthday, and who am I going to have my birthday coffee together with? I figured out that coffee break here in the trunk wasn't such a bad idea. Here, right in front of the sunshine. After long winter, the car have lost some of its red paint. It's not a Rembrandt painting, but it's paint there. For my kind of level of artwork, I guess the transmission is still leaking some oil, even if the gasket is new. It sometimes is like this with old cars. I have to check the oil. Now I have removed this emblem in the grill. There's the new paint. I should have sanded down the old red paint, and I painted all over it. I guess I have a big job to do to make this look better, but I will give it a try. When I sit here in front of the house and sanding and removing this paint, and I take a look in front of the sun, so I see I have removed it before I paint it up in my home. Okay. You don't want my company, alright. I hope it gets better now. Hey, good looking. It's not 100% good, but I like it better now. This car is on the way to the car shop because it have a fuel issue. I replaced the fuel filter, but there's much more problems here. It could be what I guess the fuel pump again. It's leaking gas, and then the air comes in and it can't fire up. It's even possible that I have some crap in the gas tank, so I must figure out what's wrong with it. It's cruising season, so I really hope there's nothing more wrong with my car. The car shop figured out that the fuel pump were broken, and it took some weeks to fix that and get all the parts for the fuel pump. I'm on the bus on the way to the car shop, and I'm going to bring my car home. Here they are, all the old junky cars, and mine, which have now turned into green out in the lovely spring weather. Buick, Mercedes, Ford, my Pontiac. Oh no, it's a Pontiac. 57. What a dirty Pontiac during these 2 months here. And now we are home again. The fuel pump have been replaced with another whole used fuel pump. The old one were totally broken inside, so it had to be replaced. The transmission were leaking some oil, and now that is fixed. This is now the issue, the start motor. I bought a new battery, so I have a good spare battery and a complete fresh new battery installed in the car. Oh, what a mess. Maybe it's my fault, since I am the owner of this car. Yes, I am. Look here. This rubber needs to be replaced. And here it is. It's like either chew gum or bakelite. It's hard or difficult to get out of here. And I thought these doors were constructed in a way that they could be taken apart. Maybe I haven't tried hard enough, because I want to check what's under this trim, how the condition of both the doors are, and seems they can't be taken apart. And to replace the glass here seems difficult, so I will just keep the broken glass and put these in the new rubber and slice them where I have to make them go in here. I don't think otherwise I can do it. Alright, I had to make a cut there, and I want to glue it when I have put it there. It's my only option right now, from my opinion. I'm not 100% satisfied with this, but it's pretty much better than the old one here, and I have never done such a work before. This is very disappointing. I don't know how it can be. It fits rather well, except for here. Now I'm not only using my tools, I am also using my brain, and it turns out very much better. Still not 100%, but it will get better. Now it's done. Not 100% professional, because I'm not professional, so I have to be satisfied with this result. Yes, I must. I found an interesting number on the frame which says 1653. There have been one number in the front and one behind, which could be number 8. I don't know what's in front there. You ugly plug wires, you're going to be replaced. Oh, a packet for me. Let's go and get it. Yeah, plug wires. I have never seen plug wires that look like this on the spark plugs, but they are supposed to look like this, so I have been told. New plug wires. At first it would not fire up, because I have forgotten to reinstall the coil, but after that it fires up. These are no longer my friends. These two I will keep for spare. Let's see. It fires up You heard that click before. Could be the solenoid still is not that good, but the start motor sounds okay. Varnish, varnish, varnish. And now this project, I still need one more of these. 3 of them are better than one. I hope this will fit, because this part here have been bended up. I guess it's from the accident of the car. We shall see. I guess the clips underneath this trim are not made for recycle. They can be taken out, but not from the inside. I can't reach them from here. It's totally impossible. And I can't take the door apart because I don't know how to do it, and I can't remove the trim without injuring the clips. I need clips to replace. If I do, it is a problem. Well, it's there. It's there. A new issue with the gas tank. When I restore the gauge, I replaced the gasket with a rubber gasket, but I used the wrong rubber, so now the gas tank is leaking here in the front. That's why I park the car like this, so gas will not leaking out. Well, it will be another trip to the car shop. Back at the car shop again to fix some issues. I hope you liked to watch this video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.